Well, hello again. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. This is Masonic Edition. We're here at Linden Lodge number 204. No, 210. Linden Lodge number 210 here in Linden, Tennessee, the great state of Tennessee. It's only my second lodge ever visiting here, and they tell me this place has got degree work tonight. It's got a full house here, and we're actually right downtown. In fact, right there's the courthouse. Cool. Love little towns like this. Anyway, looking forward to going inside and taking a look. And if you like videos like this, be sure to check out our playlist. I'm going to put right there. That's right, that one right there. We'll check out that playlist, and I'm going to Masonic buildings from around the country. So you be sure to take a look at those and take a look at some of those other. And be sure and comment and hit that little bell if you're waiting for other. Hit that bell if you want to see other videos coming up that get released, and you'll get a bell. It'll let you know when the next one just came out. So come on, let's go inside, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. I'm inside right now. I just got permission from the master to videotape the lodge room upstairs. This is their dining room. There's about 30 of them here today, maybe almost 40. So really good turnout. Part of it they're having degree work, and they got some guys from other lodges while they're here, like myself. Let's go upstairs. Well, all right, so right next door, looks like they got a chair there. They got a lift. I have not yet been up here. I think maybe before I take you in the big room, I'll take a quick run around. Oh, I like this. Got a little kitchenette up here. They probably use that when they have a regular meetings. It's like Eastern Star evidence is here. Let's go. Let's roll on inside. Look how long this room is. It looks long because basically it's a little narrow for the most part. I don't see no door knockers, anything special on the doors. That's some old school. It's got this musty old smell to it, which is kind of cool. I like it. There's your celestial globe. It's nice and tall. They're about 7 feet or so. In fact, that one there is almost touching the vent going across the top. The way this is, of course, the senior warden station. Got a nice column there. Gavel. Ooh, might that be a sprig of acacia? Possibly. Nice picture up top. Here's some extra chairs they have here. Could be for people wanting to sit. Really, I think what this is for is the Eastern Star. Definitely have an active Eastern Star chapter here. And I'll show you why I know that. Last week we were just at said Eastern Star. We saw this at the last lodge. In fact, I'll put that up right here. Oh, let me see. I'll put that up right here. Yeah, that one. Last Eastern, they had one of these that was located over there. They might use that to receive people. That, of course, is a pentagon representing the Eastern Star. And they have the North Station here for Eastern Star lighthouses. And here's our Eastern Star items here. If they didn't have an active chapter Eastern Star, this probably would not be in this room. They'd probably be in another room someplace else. There's the Eastern Star chapter. Nice picture of George Washington there. Eastern Star item there. And this is where the master sits. Got the G lit up. Oh, maybe they've opened it already or not. Eastern Star, and here's their charter. I can't read the date on it. It's right in here somewhere, but it's not legible. So I don't know when they were founded. My guess is 1850s, 1860s possibly, because their number's 210. So I would imagine it'd be an older one. So I don't know who that gentleman there is. Maybe a past master. Could be. I didn't see any past master pictures anywhere. And secretary's desk. And of course down here we've got the junior ward. Everyone's downstairs eating, so that gave me a chance to run up here and do this. This is where their stewards sit. We find that in most jurisdictions have that, not Georgia, but in most jurisdictions your stewards sit here right and left of the junior warden. Because basically their duties are to assist the junior warden in the duties of his office. And you can see the arrangement here again of the 3 lesser lights. It's an unusual arrangement. I haven't seen this in any other jurisdiction but Tennessee. And this is definitely part of their part of what they do. It's part of their code. And I like this. It's actually a pentagon shape. I've never seen a pentagon shape. It's not real beautiful like mahogany or anything, but I've never seen a pentagon shaped altar before. Huh. Especially with a cushion that goes all the way around it. That cushion is not 2 pieces. So it sits there and the altar goes right down on top of it. It's like they got handles here for it also. Nice. Let's take a look at this Bible. It might be a Masonic Bible. It says Eastern Star there. Maybe it's an Eastern Star Bible. No, it's regular Masonic Bible. Much like the one we saw at the other lodge. Hohenwald. Wow. A lot to it. Let's see what we got up front. All right. There's some pictures there. Definitely see some Masonic logos there. Scottish Rite, York Rite, some others. Nice. Good looking lodge. Really like the altar setup here. Never seen a pentagon before. So if you're ever in Linden, Tennessee, and come to a meeting, I think they meet on Tuesdays. They don't normally meet or they meet on Mondays. Check them online. You can see what days they actually meet here. This is a out of cycle or a call communication, I should say, what we would call it. But definitely received well downstairs. Everybody's real friendly. Big group downstairs. Looking forward to this degree work. Get you like a little schoolgirl again. Get to see some degree work in another state, which is pretty rare. But be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other playlist. This is Masonic buildings from around the country. Yeah, that one there. Check that one there out. Or is it this way? Maybe it's this way. But anyway, be sure to check it out, and you'll see the different places that we've been to. So come join us on our adventures, because you're now leaving the coolest life, Masonic edition.